Every artist has a story, but mine isn't just about blending colors on palette. It's about blending experiences, lessons, and emotions. 6 years ago, I started this journey not knowing that makeup would become more than a career. It would become my way to making people feel confident, beautiful, and loved. Today, I want to take you through my journey, its highs, its challenges, and the lesson that shaped me into who I am. It all started with a dream and a small kit of brushes and palettes. I still remember my first look. It wasn't perfect, but it was mine. My passion for makeup was a raw and untamed. But I knew one thing, I wanted to make people feel special through my work. 6 years ago, I stepped into this industry, unsure of where it would lead. At first, I worked with friends and family, experimenting, learning, and growing. Then come my first big opportunity, working with celebrity. It felt like I had stepped into a world I had only seen in magazines. From there, life surprised me with opportunities. I worked with Delhi's top models, foreigner models, and even popular YouTubers. Each project brought me new challenges, new faces, and new lessons. I felt like I am climbing a ladder, each step bringing me closer to my dreams. But in the glamour, I learned an important lesson. No matter how high and climb, how you climb, staying humble is what truly matters. Being a great makeup artist isn't just about skill, it's about kindness, understanding, and listening. Every journey has its hurdles, and mine was no different. Working with different people is a challenge in itself. Some clients are sweet and respectful, while others can test your patience, and then there are a moment when you make mistakes. The hardest part of this journey was learning to deal with people. Some clients appreciate your art, respecting your time and efforts, while others may not fully understand the craft. It's easy to get frustrated, but I have learned that patience and calmness are my strongest tool. I remember one incident where a client was unhappy with their look. Instead of reacting deficiently, I sat down, listened to their concern, and adjusted the makeup accordingly. In the end, they were happy, and I learned the value of listening and adapting. What makes makeup so magical in this ability to transform? Not just appearance, but emotions. Every face I work on tells a story, and it's my job to bring that story to life. For me, creativity isn't about creating a beautiful look. It's about understanding my client vision and making it a reality. Whether it's a bride who dreams of looking perfect on her big day or a model preparing for a runway show, I take the time to understand their needs. Every project starts with preparation, researching trends, testing products, and planning every detail. I strive to make every client feel like the best versions of themselves. When they look in the mirror and smile, that's when I know I have done my job. What keeps me inspired in the feedback I receive, the growing reviews, the repeat clients, and the trust they place in me make all the hard work worth it. One of the greatest joys is seeing clients return to me, even after years. It's a testament to the bond I built with them. Some moments stay with me forever. They remind you why you started this journey and motivating you to keep going. 4 years ago, I prepared a bride for her big day. She looked stunning, and the happiness in her eyes was unforgettable. This year, one of her relatives reached out to me. She said, I told everyone years ago that when I get married, Renu will be my makeup artist. This bride had only seen me work briefly, but the impression I left stayed with her for years. When I completed her bridal look, she was thrilled, and her words were a reminder of the impact we as an artist we have on people's lives. This movement isn't just about makeup, this about trust, connection, and the joy being part of someone's most cherished moment. 6 years in, and I felt like I just getting started. Every day bringing new challenges, new faces, and new lessons. But what hasn't changed in my passion for this art? Today, my journey in this phase where I am not just learning new techniques but also learning about people, relationships, and myself. I dream to taking my parents on a world tour, showing them that their beliefs in me wasn't misplaced. My client trust and loyalty inspire me to keep growing. Some of them have been with me for over 5 years and they brief my work in my biggest motivators. If there one thing this journey has taught me, it's that success isn't just about talent or hard work. It's about staying grounded, being kind and always striving to improve. I have learned that kindness is the foundation of any great artist. No matter how skilled you are, if you lack of empathy and understanding, you can't truly connect with your clients. I have always learned the value of patience, adaptability, and constant growth. To everyone watching this, no matter what your dream is, know that the journey will never be easy. But in these challenges that shape you and the connections you build that make it worthwhile. Success isn't about how many milestones you achieve, it's about how many lives you touch along the way. So keep dreaming, keep learning, and most importantly, stay humble. Because in the end, it's not just about the art, it's about the heart and you put into it. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.